Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to create a public account on Snapchat. So after you create an account, it's just a regular account that you create all the time, and after this you're gonna go to your profile at the top left and settings at the top right. Now you're gonna scroll a little bit down. Of course you can make Bitmoji so people can see like what you look like based on your Bitmoji in real life. After this you're gonna go to privacy control, and from there we're gonna go on. So contact me, you're gonna allow more and more people to contact you, so you're gonna allow friends and contacts to contact you. After this you're gonna go to view my story and allow everyone to see your stories, so as your profile is public, everyone can see your stories. You're gonna go to Spotlight comment settings, and all the comments that you get from your Spotlight snaps will be shown publicly after approval. So if you want everyone to see the comments that someone left on your Spotlight snaps, you're gonna choose auto approve everyone, so everyone's comments on your Spotlight snaps will be visible. Then after this you go to see me in quick add and show me in quick add. You're gonna enable this so everyone can see like your friends, contacts, and friends and contacts and friends of contacts, and so on. Everyone can see your profile in their quick add and add you as their friend. And after this you're gonna turn on activity indicator on so everyone can see that you are online or offline. After this you can also enable location and turn off the ghost mode, and also you can enable people to see your live location so they can see whether you are close to them or not. And that's it. That's the general information and the general settings of creating a public account on Snapchat, public profile. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Please make sure that you liked it and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.